Yeah. Filming it. Got a 3D filmer. Oh, that's really bright. That's really bright. Oh, you're gonna really hear a bunch of thunder tonight.
You probably won't hear nothing. Take your hearing aids out.
Won't hear a dump truck driving through a nitroglycerin plant.
Yeah, that's about for sure. Whoa!
Now that one had to knock something out.
Did you see that one?
Yep.
Did you catch that one on?
Yep, I caught that one. I caught a few of them. I caught quite a few of them when we were at that place. Sure. There's quite a few big ones there.